Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Difo Dabo. This delightful Ethiopian bread is a true culinary treasure, cherished for its incredibly soft and airy texture. It's a staple for many celebrations, bringing warmth and flavor to any gathering. What makes it truly special is the traditional method of baking it wrapped in banana leaves, which infuses the bread with a subtle, earthy aroma. To begin your Difo Dabo journey, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need approximately 3 1/4 cups of wheat flour, along with instant yeast, sugar, and warm water to activate the dough. Don't forget the aromatic spices like cardamom, cumin, and coriander, which give this bread its distinctive flavor. And of course, banana leaves are key for that authentic, moist bake. Crafting the dough is a rewarding process. Start by activating your yeast with sugar, salt, and about 12 ounces of warm water, letting it sit for 20 minutes until bubbly. Then, combine 3 1/4 cups of flour with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and your chosen spices. Mix in the yeast mixture, kneading until the dough is soft and elastic. Finally, let it rest for 60 minutes to double in size. Now for the exciting part, baking. Line your baking pan with aluminum foil and banana leaves, then gently place your risen dough inside. Cover it with additional banana leaves to ensure a moist and flavorful result. Let it rest for a final 20 minutes. Then, bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. Once golden, peel off the leaves, slice, and enjoy your delicious homemade Difo Dabo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.